Take a deep breath. We take 23,000 breaths in a day, through which we send oxygen to our brain and cells. Oxygen is important for us to stay alive. But the breath we take, oxygen is only a small part of it. So what if the oxygen is more? What will happen in this case? Will it start seeing big insects roaming on the roads? Will everything be on fire? Will you become a superhuman? If there is more oxygen than there is in the Earth's environment, then these are just a few things that we have to face. What else will happen? What if? And this is, what if there is double oxygen in the Earth's environment? Perhaps the first thing you will see, they will be big insects. Insects breathe through small tubes called trachea. According to scientists, if more oxygen goes into these tubes, then insects like spiders and cockroaches will become much bigger. About 30 lakh years ago in prehistoric times there was 30% oxygen in the Earth's environment. At that time insects used to be very big. The kites were of the shape of a vase, while some spiders were of the size of small birds. The double oxygen level of the Earth means that there is more oxygen in our environment than at that time. That is, our insects will be even bigger. Although these big insects can scare you, but you will feel better knowing that you will have the energy to get rid of them. With the increased level of oxygen, you will find that you have a lot of energy. If everyone has more oxygen, then the record of human capacity of today will break quickly. You will also be more alert. More oxygen in your body will speed up the blood flow and the energy will increase. There will be fewer diseases in humans and you will also take less sick leave or maybe not. Neutrophils will increase the number of cells that fight infections and prevent diseases, which will keep you healthy. You will also have less colds. Will you become like Superman? There can also be serious problems over a long period of time due to the increased level of oxygen in your body. With the increased level of oxygen, the possibility of toxic effects of oxygen in humans will also increase. This happens when a person experiences more oxygen than they are used to. Along with time, it can destroy lungs. Eyelight can be damaged and cells can stop growing. More oxygen in your body can make free radicals in your body. These cells are looking for other electrons with which they can connect. This can damage your body and your DNA. And yes, what about the thing we said about the fire? Things will catch fire quickly with more oxygen in the environment. Usually when you can't light a fire, it is due to a lack of oxygen. With more oxygen in the environment, just think how easily everything will catch fire. It feels bad for the fire in the forests of Uttarakhand, right? Now the whole world will have to expect the same fire. There is even a possibility of fire in wet forests. And if we talk about the entire planet, first of all, the weight will increase. Oxygen is not only in our environment, it is also a part of the crust of our Earth. And if there is more oxygen in the crust, it will become heavy, which will increase the weight of the lithosphere, that is our environment, that is, the atmosphere. This will oxidize the sea, rivers, etc., and turn into hydrogen peroxide. Then along with this, you will get to see some good and some bad results. But fortunately, you can breathe comfortably, knowing that there is only 20% oxygen in our environment. And so far, this has proved to be good for us. Just think, what if we didn't have oxygen? To know, keep watching Mindful Journey.